Welcome everyone. This is Chandhinee.
And this is Sana.
There are many courses and professionals who can tell a patient what their problem is, but there is only one profession which can find solution to that problem through a medication. That is a pharmacist. The preparation for this solution is achieved through the discipline of pharmaceutics. What is a liquid dosage form? A medication can be prepared in various forms for the convenience of the patient and for good therapeutic results. The liquid dosage forms is the medication prepared in the form of liquid and is administered through various routes.
Liquid dosage forms are mainly classified into monophasic liquid dosage forms and biphasic liquid dosage forms. Monophasic liquid dosage forms are again subclassified into syrups, elixirs, eye and ear drops, draughts, linctures, gargles, mouthwashes, lotions, liniments, enemas, and inhalations. Syrups. Syrups are concentrated aqueous preparation of sugar with or without flavoring agent and medicinal substances. Syrups. Syrups are mainly classified into simple syrup and medicated syrup, wherein simple syrup means water is used alone for making syrup, whereas medicated syrup means containing medical agents. Elixirs. Elixirs are clear, viscous, oral preparations of potent or nauseous drugs. Eye drops. Eye drops are the solutions of drugs that are instillated into the eye with a dropper. Eardrops. Eardrops are the solutions of drugs that are instillated into the ear with a dropper. Draughts. Draughts are generally known to be the liquid oral preparations of which only one or two rather large doses of the order of 50 ml are prescribed. Each dose is issued in separate container. Linctuses. These are simple solutions or admixtures containing a high proportion of syrup and sometimes glycerin. Linctuses are viscous, liquid oral preparations that are usually prescribed for the relief of cough. Gargles. Gargles are aqueous solutions used to prevent or treat throat infections. Usually, they are dispensed in concentrated form with directions for dilution with warm water before use. Mouthwashes. Mouthwashes are similar to gargles but are used for oral hygiene and to treat infections of the mouth. Lotions. Lotions are fluid preparations for external application without friction. Liniments. Liniments are fluid, semi-fluid, or semi-solid preparation intended for application to the skin. Enemas. Enemas are solutions, suspensions, or oil in water emulsions of medicament intended for rectal administration. Inhalations. These are liquid preparations containing volatile substances and used to relieve congestion and inflammation of the respiratory tract. Biphasic liquid dosage forms includes emulsions and suspensions. Emulsions. Emulsions are liquid dispersed systems in which the dispersed phase is composed of small globules of a liquid distributed throughout a vehicle in which it is immiscible. Pharmaceutical emulsions are used for the administration of nutrients, drugs, and diagnostic agents. Emulsions easily fall into two categories: oil in water emulsion and water in oil emulsion. The type of emulsion that forms depends largely on the volume ratio of the two materials, with the more abundant phase forming the continuous phase. Suspensions. A pharmaceutical suspension is a coarse dispersion of insoluble solid particles in a liquid medium. Suspensions. The particle diameter in a suspension is usually greater than zero point 0.5 micrometers. A pharmaceutical suspensions are two types. One is flocculated suspensions and the other is deflocculated suspensions. Difference between emulsions and suspensions. Emulsions are biphasic liquid preparations containing two immiscible liquids, one of which is dispersed as minute globules into the other, whereas suspensions are biphasic liquid dosage forms of medicaments in which finely divided solid particles are dispersed in a liquid vehicle. The basic difference between pastes and ointments. Pastes, they contain large amount of finely powdered solids such as starch, zinc oxide and calcium carbonate, and they are less greasy. Ointments, they contain medicaments which are generally dissolved or suspended in the base and they are more greasy. The basic difference between lotion and liniments are lotion should be applied without friction and whereas liniments should be applied with friction. Syrups and elixirs. Simple syrups are a concentrated, viscous, aqueous solution of 66.7% weight by weight of sucrose, whereas elixirs are pleasantly flavored, sweetened, hydroalcoholic liquids. Thank you all for watching this video.